Dito pa sa baba. Okay. What?
Draw for me.
It's okay, you can draw it. Oh,
Okay.
last try na. Huwag mo magkadikit. Didikit mo na naman.
Okay.
It's okay, huwag mo drawing. Make it. Dahan-dahan naman. O, sa kabila. O, dito pa. Last two.
What are you doing?
Last three. Dito pa, oh. 1, 2,
What are you
3.
doing? What are you doing?
Last na.
What are you doing? No, watch me.
Watch. I will send this to Papa.
Yeah.
Dito pa, oh. Dito, be.
Very scratch.
Magsulat ka na, oh. Para mag-sleep ka na.
No, I watch my telephone.
Watch ka pa ng cellphone.
Oopsie.
Dito, oh, sa baba. Diyan.
Oh,
Saka dyan.
you need to do that here.
Huwag mo dikit-dikit. Dito lang. Dito pa. Tsaka dyan. Ba't ang ganyan? Ano ka na eh? Naglalaro. Oh, make again here.
Sorry.
Naglalaro ka na. You told me you will write in the night. Tapos, last two here. Last one.
I do that.
Here.
I told you
I told you. I told you what?
that one.
Sige na, finish that one. Tama na yan.
Yeah. Where's my cellphone?
Sleep na. Huwag ka lang mag-cellphone.
My pencil. My pencil, you want to do.